Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 1, week number 1 in our May session. Thank you very much for joining us. My name is Mark.
My name's Katie.
And here is what we did. The basic rhythm that we worked on goes step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. When we do that here with the rhythm in our feet, leader starting with your left foot.
Follower starting with your right.
Every time you step, you switch feet. And that would be
step, step, triple step, step, step,
again.
Triple step, 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 triple step, 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 and triple step.
Good. So there's never a moment that we're doing this, making a sound without switching the weight. For our purposes, every time you step, you switch. We put together this exciting sandwich, and the basic step on the spot would be step, step, triple step, step, step. Again, we go step, step, triple step. Then we have the swing out. It's rock, step, leaders in front, follows go through, and triple step, rock, step, triple step, 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 and then the circle. Rock, step, triple step, step, step. We're side by side, step, step, triple step, 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 triple step, 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 and triple step, 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 and triple step. Week number 1. Thank you very much for joining us.
Yes.
See you next time.